Imagine waking up in a world where everything is random, where gravity sometimes works and sometimes doesn't, where the sun rises in the west one day and in the east the next. Sounds chaotic, right? But our universe isn't chaotic. It follows precise, predictable patterns. Why? Because there is a design. And where there is a design, there must be a designer. Today, we uncover a hidden language written into the fabric of the universe, one that most people never stop to think about. Mathematics isn't just something humans invented. It's something we discovered because the universe already follows mathematical laws. It's like finding a user manual hidden in creation, one that governs everything from the smallest atoms to the largest galaxies. Let's talk about some mind-blowing examples. The golden ratio, which is about 1.618, shapes galaxies, hurricanes, and even DNA. The Fibonacci sequence appears in sunflowers, seashells, and even the human body. And Euler's equation links 5 fundamental mathematical constants in one breathtakingly simple formula. These patterns aren't random, they're universal, unchanging, precise, and deeply structured. But here's the real kicker. Mathematics doesn't just exist. It must have been chosen. Just like a video game follows a specific code, the universe runs on an underlying mathematical structure. Who wrote the code? Think of a video game. Whether you're in the mountains or underwater, the physics remain the same because a programmer designed it that way. Now imagine if different programmers worked on separate parts of the game without coordination. The rules wouldn't match up, chaos would unfold. Yet in our universe, everything is in sync. The same laws of gravity apply everywhere. The same elements form stars billions of light years away. The same DNA code runs all life on Earth. If multiple creators existed, we'd see competing laws, different physics, different logic, different rules, but we don't. We see one harmonious system, pointing to one creator. But what if someone argues that math exists on its own, that the universe just works without needing a designer? Let's break it down. Mathematics describes reality, but it doesn't create reality. Just writing E equals mc squared on a piece of paper doesn't suddenly create energy. If laws exist, they must have been chosen. Who or what decided that 1 plus 1 must always equal 2? Patterns only exist because of a higher order. Just like a book needs an author, mathematics requires an intelligent source to establish and sustain it. Could there be multiple gods, all working together? Let's think about this logically. If there were 2 all-powerful gods, one of 2 things must happen. Case 1. They disagree. One god wants to create a planet. The other wants to destroy it. Who wins? One god wants the laws of physics to change. The other wants them to stay the same. What happens? If multiple gods had different wills, the universe would descend into chaos. But we don't see chaos. We see order. That means no competition exists at the highest level. Case 2, they always agree. If 2 gods always agree, then one of them is not truly independent. They're just following the other. If one is more powerful, the other is unnecessary. If both are equal, then who makes the final decision? The very idea collapses on itself. The only possibility? One supreme creator, indivisible, absolute, the source of all laws and order. But here's the ultimate question. If everything has a cause, what caused the universe? If the universe was caused by something else, then that cause must have also been caused by something before it, and so on. But if this chain of causes goes back forever, then the universe would never have started existing at all. This is known as the problem of infinite regress. It proves that there must be a first cause that is uncreated and eternal. That first cause is God. Look around you. Everything you see, every law, every pattern, every number points to something greater. The universe does not operate by accident. It follows an intricate mathematical order that could only have come from an intelligent source. A book needs an author. A program needs a programmer. A law needs a lawgiver. And the universe, it needs the creator. And that creator can only be one,